We are very pleased to have with us Professor B.K. Chakravarti from Industrial Design Center of IIT Bombay. Yes, my dear students, for a long time, creativity and innovation were considered desirable attribute in a person, in an organization, in a business, and in many accounts. But now the focus of innovation has shifted from being engineering driven to design driven, from product centric to customer centric, from marketing focused to user experience focused. So designing is more than creating products and services. It can be applied to systems, procedures, protocols, and customer experiences. When design principles are applied to strategy and innovation, the success rate, the students, it becomes dramatically more and more. So, keeping in view the importance of design, we have kept the topic of today's discussion as innovation by design. Now I request Dr. Chakravarti to take over the session and enlighten the students on the important aspects of this important topic. Sir, please, you can take over the session.
Yeah, thank you so much for this warm welcome. And students, it's a very big challenge for me to sort of, put in a nutshell what all is happening. But off late, currently in Hyderabad, I was on leave, came down here. I was teaching at IIT Hyderabad with the students. And then, they just didn't ask me. And the colleagues there offered me a course called entrepreneurship. And students, I must tell you, it was such an eye-opener to teach and of course learn what are the values, which we need to inculcate when we do innovation. And you all know entrepreneurship is, it's the key. And of course, if innovation has to be sort of, implemented, or you need to take it forward, you either need to go to industry, which is already established, so they can take your innovation forward, which is one example I show you of my petrol pump design. And of course, the second, the best option, of course, is doing a startup. But when you do a startup, it is not the same user you're considering when you're designing a product. That was the biggest learning for me with those 2 weeks of classes with my colleagues in IIT Hyderabad. Before I start my innovation by design, let me talk about that one paradigm shift which we designers have to understand when we look at enterprises and when we look at innovation very closely, because design and innovation are not the same, right? They're very different. So what is the difference between design and innovation? What is it? How do each of them address each other is the biggest challenge. And that's the reason for my logo, innovation by design, where design addresses innovation and the innovation process is designed. So, and then of course, now the management, schools have taken up the design thinking process, which is the management process for managing innovation. And of course, and they're using the design thinking, and all of us are so well versed with it. And then we keep saying that we are the experts of design thinking. ये managers कहाँ से आ गए बीच में? A number of times we ask this question. But of course, that is the best part of design, which design thinking or design approach is, can be applied in all contexts and all situations. There was this famous, American designer, Raymond Loewy, who started the first who started the first trains, who made the first copy machine, who made the first washing machine. You must looking up Raymond Loewy. He would actually use design to even solve personal problems and societal problems, and also people who are not able to gel together for marriages. So design can really do all that, and all that is happening because you are very perseverant, because you ask the right questions, because you're ready to listen. And these are valuable traits, students. When your colleagues and when my colleagues in MIT and the faculty keep on sending you outside, survey karo, pucho, ao, that is the way we start, learning what all is happening. So in fact, I'm very lucky that I, did mechanical engineering. So when I do mechanical engineering and become a designer, I'm a different animal. When I do sciences and become a designer, I'm a different designer. And that brings into a very important aspect of collaboration and design, and all that I have told you in my online lectures, and we'll of course revisit some of it while we go ahead. And my grounding, of course, in IIT Delhi after my Larsen Tuber stint was again very fabulous. I realized how research and technology could address design in a very big way, and how we need to again work very collaboratively with our professors over there. In fact, the interesting situation is the professors in IIT were not treating design as equal, because design uses a different yardstick of measurement. No, our success of measurement is different. The research professor's success of their success or their yardstick are different. So when you have two different yardsticks, how you can put the same two faculty members in the same boat, right? That is a big challenge. So in fact, I must tell you, they were trying to throw me out of IIT Delhi because I didn't have a PhD. And I'm like, no sort of, complaint. And then I said, oh God, they plan to throw me out. If they throw me out, I of course can do well. I can become a consultant. But then if there's so much value for research, can I put my 8 to 9 years and then do research and find out? And for the everlasting credit of all the colleagues in IIT Delhi, who thought of, who said that, designers who don't have research, and don't have any, who don't have research cannot teach at IIT, because IIT is a place of professing. IIT is a place where you need to be at the height of a sort of professing. And then for that, you need to have a lot of theory and a lot of research and a lot of knowledge across the board of design from across the world, and you need to synthesize that work, and you can be a specialist in one particular area. So I became a specialist in collaborative design because I saw that without collaboration, innovation cannot go forward. So my area of specialization is collaboration, and that too in the new product areas. New product design, we call it new product. And within the new product, see, research is very narrow. The concept generation. Remember the idea generation, what we do? हम quickly एक sketch बनाते हैं, बोलते हैं चलो यार ये sketch हमारा final concept है. Not right. You've seen some of my lectures where we are doing that, and of course I will, send a link to Professor Soni, and he will put you to all the courses which are available online. Where today is just tip of the iceberg, where I would address these very interesting issues. And of course, now you can see that my L&T experience counted heavily when I did my IIT Delhi stint. And in the IIT Delhi, I had to study again, which was fabulous. I was studying with my management colleagues there, management school part-time study. That really helped me. And then, for example, in my PhD, and then moved to IDC, IIT Bombay as a professor, where we started multiple programs. And of course, now I head the Design Innovation Center at IIT Bombay. We're trying to learn, still we're trying to learn, and this never-ending story. Okay, so now today I'm going to, of course, you saw my 7 concerns of innovation. I'm going to again take you through my 7 concerns. And these 7 concerns form the backbone of the innovation process. So from the, first concern, which is the cause, in design and innovation, in both the cases, we are very focused on, the type of commitment we have to solve the problem, right? In fact, that, the concern to solve a problem, is extremely critical, even for the innovation journey. And we call it the cause. And that one sentence we write for the cause has to be one sentence, students. A lot of my students would write a huge, of course, objective भी बहुत बड़ा होता है, और cause भी बहुत बड़ा होता है. मतलब नहीं. If I'm designing a letterbox for India Post, my only cause was to design a maintenance-free letterbox. उनको maintenance free चाहिए था. And all other things will come in automatically, right? So the cause becomes very important. And of course, here, look at this wonderful project we had where we designed a vein tracer. I'm very proud to say that this vein tracer has reached the president's, hospital in Rashtrapati Bhavan, because this got the, award during the, Festival of Innovation conducted by Professor Anil Gupta of IIM Ahmedabad, and the Rashtrapati ji liked it so much that he asked us to supply one pilot production to him. So it's a very simple device where you could see the vein, and this whole thing started from that first lesson on design thinking, which is empathy, which is by visiting the location. So what we did, In one course, we said we'll just go and visit blood banks. We didn't plan what product to work on. When we visited blood banks, and the students kept on, like talking to doctors, talking to people who came to give blood, and each student took one problem from the blood bank. To everlasting credit of Trivikram, who took this project, he said, "Sir, it's so painful that they have to prick 2-3 times. Why can't we have a simple device?" And of course, that is the way this device has come up. And that whole cause that he said that I need to not a person who comes to give blood should not be pricked 4-5 times, right? So this is the product, which is a very simple product. Now this is under technology. See, I told you about technology transfer. Now this is not a technology transfer to a company, which is now going to manufacture this product and put it in the market. So there, the resolve to solve the problem is the key. And of course, this is the link which is there on my YouTube channel. You can see I won't play it here because of the positive time. Then some of the links I will play for sure. The context, understanding the problem space and the environment. Very, very critical, students. In fact, we may do a number of lectures on the context. But then when we finally go to the context, we are making it very, very wide. We don't understand the problem space much. For example, yesterday one of my students, Anaga, called up. She said, "Sir, I'm stuck. I'm working on this device to help dementia elders, with some device." And she started making an app. I said, "Did you check up the context? Who are these elderly people? What's their age group? If it is the age group from 70 to 80, I know they're not comfortable with Android phones. So what are you making?" And then she said, "Oh my God, I didn't realize that." So then then the new aid for remembering whether you're taking medicine or not is a small shaft with some rotating wheels. So you rotate the wheel as soon as you take a tablet and you remember, "Oh, I've taken the tablet." So that is the core of our understanding, where we need to narrow down the problem, narrow down the context. And the context is that if the elderly is in that age group and they're living in the cities and they don't have, and of course, if they have, they're living together or they're living in an old age home, all those factors will be very valuable in your understanding of the context. So here, for example, this is an eye-opener for me, students. When we invited the CRPF Jawans, 8 of them came to my lab and we were designing these bottles. And I must tell you, I must confess that I and my student, Devanshi, who was an NID, graduate, came to do MDes with us. And in fact, she's a different student, but very, very smart and very, very sharp. We were in the project, and in fact, I myself, didn't push her enough to go and meet the Jawans for whom we were designing the bottle. And then there was this jury. We have pre-juries and multiple presentations, 4 presentations for every project. And to the everlasting credit of my colleagues, in the department, they said, "Nothing doing. If you're not spoken to the user, we're not buying anything from you. None of your presentation is valid." See, a senior professor guiding a student and not insisting on meeting the user just because that is मुश्किल है. मतलब नहीं ना, फिर मत करो project ना. Why are you working on a project? So those are the important things, which are very, very critical for our direction. So this is the whole, project where we were working on. So the Jawans came, and students, I must tell you what we thought our concept would be and what the final product was. It's all credit to those users, right? So a lot of my colleagues are working on participatory design, where users become part of your design process. But of course, we all know that's a very, very important journey, right? So here we have, how they, take what. Let me quickly show you this one video. And then the type of insights we gain from our user study becomes the core for our comprehension, which is drawing insights. A number of times we do user study, we understand the context, but we never take insights. We never take back these insights as very important cues for our design process. So here we're talking about the cues for the design process, and here we have this very interesting case study of our window-mounted solar oven. It looks very simple, students, but this window-mounted solar oven, for example, uses collaborative design again from three different sort of disciplines. We have professors from energy science who tell us the the thermal aspects of the product. We have professors from material science who helped us with the coatings, and of course we have professors from polymer who help us with the polymers and the plastics for it to really work as a greenhouse effect. So here, for example, this oven just has a double wall polycarbonate shell, very simple, and has coated aluminum plates inside, which collect all the, remember our cars get very warm, so collects all the heat from the sun and doesn't let any of the heat escape. And then cooks your rice, within 1.5 hours, 2 hours, if the temperature outside is 40 degrees. And mostly in our country, we have that type of temperature. So let me see if my video here will play for you.
The Design Innovation Center at IIT Bombay supports the best design minds in the country to conceptualize, prototype, test, and ultimately produce innovative products which will enrich our lives. Our student Avinash found out that the conventional box-type solar cooker is very inconvenient to use. He came up with this new design of window-mounted oven where one can operate the oven from indoors. We receive ample sunlight in our country, and the solar oven takes us a step closer towards a sustainable lifestyle. This versatile solar cooker with zero maintenance can easily recover its cost in a span of 3 to 4 years. The multiple advantages of our solar oven are that it cooks for free, it cooks nutritious food, and the food is tastier.
As an athlete, I always have to perform at my peak. The key is to be dedicated to the idea of fitness. That also means I need to watch what I feed my body.
LPG की सब्सिडी काफ़ी कम लोगों को दिया जाती है, इसी वजह से खाना बनाना काफ़ी महंगा हो रहा है। आजकल मैं सारा खाना सोलर ओवन पे ही बना लेती हूँ, तड़का बिड़का गैस पर लगा लेती हूँ।
The solar cooker uses renewable energy of the sun and therefore conserves fossil fuels. We have cooked rice, we have cooked millets, various kinds of curries, vegetables, khichdi and things like that.
Because of the lower temperature, the nutrients in a food are more stable compared to other methods of cooking.
The cooking is done in the juices of the food itself, and all this contributes to better retention of fragrance and a tastier product at the end.
Fabulous.
The solar oven has gone through many stages of evolution, from a design idea to pilot production. We did multiple tests to improve the efficiency of the solar oven. Thanks to the collaborative efforts of our Design Innovation Center team and the professors at IIT Bombay, we are at the verge of delivering this amazing product from our drawing boards to your homes.
So students, here it is. The insight which the student got when he went to homes was that people want the convenience of cooking from indoors. So that insight brought us to the product, see? So that comprehension becomes very important. One insight which is very critical. And now when I went to business guys in Surat, they said, sir, आप वो insight तो ठीक है, पर आप इसको oven मत बोलो, rice cooker बोलो. I can sell 1,000 in one go in Surat itself and put them all on the windows. Look at the business acumen coming in there of narrowing down this, further, product, because you have to focus, on the, sale. And again, to the everlasting, credit of Avinash Prabhuneya, student. Avinash is now joined back with us. So this product, we want to take it as we already taken it up as a startup, and we are on the pre-incubator, at IIT Bombay called the Ideas Program. And hopefully, you'll see these products, out there, in the homes of people. So from there, for example, we need to go to our 4C, the check. Of course, creating the key checks, without a check, we can never go forward. I've seen a number of times, most of you, including me, we do a good survey, we get insights, और हम अपना checklist बराबर नहीं करते और हमारा product एक और कुछ हो जाता है, because we designers, right? We're passionate about things. कुछ अच्छा idea लग गया, वो idea अच्छा था करके हमने product ला दिया market में यार. तो आइडिया अच्छा होने से सबको ना होने वाला है. आइडिया काम करना चाहिए. आइडिया शुड वर्क फॉर द इनसाइट. आइडिया शुड बी विथ योर चेक. अगर मुझे मेंटेनेंस फ्री पोस्ट बॉक्स बनानी है और मैंने वो वो सब भूल के जब मेरा वो क्लाइंट मुझे बोला यार तुम एक ऐसे पोस्ट बॉक्स बनाओ कि हमें लोग याद रखेंगे. हाँ, कैन यू बिलीव? द इंडिया पोस्ट ऑफिशियल टोल्ड मी बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट बना दो यार आईआईटी के आप लोग हो. मैं बोला नहीं सर, हमारा कॉज तो बहुत क्लियर है, मेंटेनेंस भी बनानी है पोस्ट बॉक्स. वो कोई प्लास्टिक का बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग शेप नहीं देना है आपका. हमें फर्स्ट पर्पस इज मेंटेनेंस फ्री. हमें वो बॉक्स ऐसे बनानी है जो रस्ट ना हो. And that's again a big story. I'll show you one after the other. So of course, creating the checklist is very, very important. And students, I must tell you, this is my most toughest and most favorite project, which is the Palki for Vaishno Devi. मेरे को बचपन से लगता था कि यार इनके लिए कुछ जो पोर्टर्स लोगों को उठाते हैं उनके लिए गवर्नमेंट कुछ बनाती कभी नहीं है, पर लिमिट डालती कि भाई आप 1000 रुपया लो या 500 रुपया लो या 200 रुपया लो. तो कितनी गलत बात है ना. उसका मर्जी यार, वो तुम्हें उठा रहा है. इफ यू हैव द मनी यू गो. बट देन आई सेड इफ दे आर पुटिंग रूल्स दे शुड आल्सो प्रोवाइड द टूल्स, राइट? रूल बनाओ, टूल भी दो. तो हमने फिर ये प्रोडक्ट बनाया. वेरी टफ जर्नी, 3-4 साल लग गए. मल्टीपल ट्रिप्स टू वैष्णो देवी, माता जी का भी दर्शन हो गया. एनीवे, सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी about this product, that this came out of again collaborative effort. Let me quickly run the video for you over here, students. We studied the postures. और ये प्रोडक्ट तो सबसे मुश्किल था क्योंकि यहाँ जो पोर्टर्स ये कम से कम 30 साल से यूज करते प्रोडक्ट को. मैं कुछ भी बदलूं उसमें रिस्क था गिरने का, उसमें रिस्क था टूटने का, उसमें रिस्क था लोड बढ़ने का. So there are multiple risks. And they would not let me move. You will see, we worked on, but of course in design, students, you all know, we have to go out of the box first, right? पहले हमने बहुत झकास आइडियाज बनाए, हेलीकॉप्टर आइडिया, then open ideas and multiple things. And we made all that and then we took it forward. So we will, that is one thing which we did, and that is the best part in the whole design, direction. So let me quickly show you the video now.
Our role in this project was to do a very good user study, understand the needs of the porters very, very closely, and come up with designs which will help them to reduce the drudgery.
While IDC put up a design, we came up with ergonomic studies, their biomechanics system, where the load is coming. We found the shoulder and back were two areas where the lower back was two areas where a load was very heavy.
The final design was lightweight and robust. We could reduce the weight to 34 kilos from around 50 to 54 kilos, and this made a large impact on the comfort of the porters. At the same time, we were very focused on the structural analysis of the Palki, and we conducted the analysis that we managed to maintain very good structural stability and structural integrity in the design so that the Palki can last long and it can be very safe.
This is a long one. I won't put the whole video, but I just want to show you some parts which is very important from the point of view of the designs, the multiple options and, the porters. These are the porters who gave us great feedback. Then we had let me show you the design options. Yeah. You were saying something? I like to show you this part, which talked about all the design, like how we, sort of see what type of designs we did earlier. We failed miserably with all these new designs. We made prototypes of this, took them to the field, tried them out, because I didn't want the porters to get locked inside, right? They were used to it. Then we made options with plastic chairs. Plastic chairs would come off within 6 months, so we had to become very. Then we made prototypes of all the CAD models. We tried all these, failed miserably, and finally the eighth prototype, is what finally worked. And that is the whole challenge in this journey, where of course the NITI students, and we did all that work, and this we already showed you, but I like to show you from here again, where you can see this evaluation, how the but I want to tell you about the
structural stability and structural integrity in the design, so that the palki can last long and it can be very safe.
So the biggest challenge is about these these porters who were with us, and we brought them for our every project. See, the collaborative nature is becoming very, very big here, students. So if we need to collaborate with multiple things, look at the number of people in this room. All of them there are 3 professors from NITI. There are 2 professors from IIT Bombay. Professor Desai was a structural expert. And there were 4 experts from the principal scientific advisor to the Prime Minister's office. Mrs. Ketki Bapat, who is with this blue chuni, she's the one who is the principal scientific advisor to the Prime Minister's office at the the PSA's office in Delhi, and she gave us the project, of course. And and the porters are sitting in the back, all the 4 porters. So when the experts come, we may have our own perceptions. We may also go wrong, right? So, and then, we have the experts, some UDCT, the direct professor from UDCT is there. There's a professor from another 2 experts from other engineering colleges. Of course, she brings up, whenever we do a project, to be a professor or whoever, there's a review committee which gives valuable advice. So this review committee, we call it the Program Review and Monitoring Committee. It's a collaborative committee which meets every 1 month and gives you feedback, which is so valuable to take your project forward. So that's a very important part in our journey. And of course, that's the reason I was, wanted to show you this slide back, talking about how each of them had a lot of questions to ask. Of course, we had 4 professors from NITI, including the director sitting over there. See the importance of the project. And I have a couple of my colleagues over here, multiple discussions. And of course, we can see Professor Desai also there in the screen. And of course, they all tried the palki out there. And of course, they had very good things to say about
being concluded. And final solution is emerged is lightweight, ergonomically designed, safety aspects are there. All the designs are structurally validated also. And it is also catering to the large age groups of the pilgrims, which are actually will be benefited, and along with the porters' health. And also I am extremely happy. These are all integrative efforts and the guidance from PRMC members and the experts we have got.
So there we go. So that is the thing about our palki, and then you can see each project. It's not about me. You can also do the project. My other colleagues can do, but only you need to create the ecosystem. You need to get the money, and then we are very happy now to mention that finally Jindal sponsored 100 palkis. Jindal is, as you know, one of the largest companies which manufactures stainless steel. और उनका दूसरा विंग था जिंदल आर्किटेक्चर which has all this pipe bending and all. So we now 100 palkis are flying in Vaishno Devi for the last 2 years. We're very, very happy. We're coming out with a book. We'll share the book also with you on the palki design. And of course, in fact, why am I showing one case in each of the case? Because here, for example, the check was very important. It was supposed to be a lightweight palki, and we made a conscious decision that the weight should be reduced by 30 to 40%. So that is the whole importance of a check. You need to mention the weight. अरे lightweight बनाओ तो ना कुछ मतलब है यार. मेरे student और मैं भी बहुत बार ऐसे गलती करता हूँ कि वो easy to use, lightweight. इसके लिए तो पूरा कुछ study करने का भी जरूरत नहीं है ना. A product brief or a check should have a value. चलो अगर मैंने बोला कि पालकी 34 किलो से 22 किलो होना चाहिए और मैं फेल हो गया और मैंने 24 बन गया, कोई बात नहीं, हमने ट्राई तो की 22 करने के लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल. So that value proposition is very, very important for us to to match. तो इसलिए अभी चेक में एक ही आप याद रखना, अगर ergonomic स्टडी किया है तो आप बिल्कुल वैल्यूज देना पड़ेगा. लाइट वेट मत बोलो. द वेट शुड बी लेस देन 20 grams if it's in the hand, or the weight should, if it's a variable mobile or a variable thing you're making for somebody, the weight should not be more than 40 grams, whatever. Exact weight. और वो करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? Insight, user study. गले में, लोगों के गले में टांगेंगे भाई कितना तुमको जमेगा, फिर हम उसको ब्रीफ में डालेंगे. So these are very, very small, very important, like learnings for all of us that I'll share, with you. So of course, my next project is my very favorite project called the helmet design. And students, आप तो देखते हैं हमारा, like, in our country, what type of options we have and what type of two-wheeler use we have in the country. This is done by my very favorite student called Chari. He's currently working in Fun School in Goa. He's the head of design there. And he made this wonderful sketch for me. He spent nearly a week to make this sketch. But it's fabulous to, make us understand कि हमारा product, यार, एक तो है product का एक focus होना चाहिए, user focus, पर हमारा user तो बहुत wide है. There's an office going person, there's a delivery person, there's a mom who is dropping the children to school, and there's also, like boys who are on the vehicle for fun, and of course there are girls who want to cover their face because of the pollution, and you have different requirements for, or of course the Sadaji with the pagdi. Isn't it wonderful, students? Students, are you
Yes,
there?
sir, it is. It is.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे ये इसके जितना पसंद आया, मैंने इसको एक बड़ा पोस्टर बना के मैंने लैब में रख लिया, क्योंकि हम इतने चैलेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट में काम कर रहे हैं ना स्टूडेंट्स. एक चीज है तो कुछ हो जाए ना. जैसे वो लड़की है पीछे बैठी है लड़के के, तो उसको तो बाल हवा में उड़ने से अच्छा लगता है, तो अभी उसको हेलमेट कैसे पहनाएंगे बोलो. तो फिर हमने एक काम किया, ये सारे जो हेलमेट के कॉन्टेक्स्ट है ना, एक स्टूडेंट को एक प्रोजेक्ट दे दिया. तो इसमें अगर मेरे पास हमारे बीडर स्टूडेंट्स थे 30, तो हमने 30 बीडर स्टूडेंट्स को इसमें से थोड़े दो उठाए. जैसे मेरे को मिल्कमैन के लिए हेलमेट बनाना है तो उसके लिए कैसे करूं, उसका पगड़ी भी तो आनी है उसके अंदर, या पगड़ी कैसे यूज होगा. तो एक बहुत अच्छा असाइनमेंट बन गया. मे बी इफ माय कोलीग प्रकाश इज लिसनिंग, प्रकाश जरा आपको वो प्रेजेंटेशन एक निकालना पड़ेगा जो बच्चों का पिक्चर था ना, तो वेयर ऑल द किड्स आर, सो ऑल द किड्स हैड टू मेक एन हेलमेट थर्मोकोल में ऑफ कोर्स, और पहन के दिखाना पड़ता है कि कैसे थे. और बहुत अच्छा आइडिया. ये लड़की के बाल जो उड़ रहे हैं ना यार, वो हेलमेट इतना सुंदर बनाया उसने कि वो बाल के लिए जगह था पीछे से उड़ने के लिए और हवा चलने के लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज आल्सो यू हैव आल्सो लुक एट द सेफ्टी एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दोस आर द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स. सो वी कैन रियली मेक वन हेलमेट फॉर ईच ईच एप्लीकेशन. और आप देख रहे हो मोबाइल फोन स्कूटर पे बात करते हुए जा रहा है, उसके लिए क्या होगा, उसके लिए बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छे आइडिया बनाए थे. And of course, then, this is my, again, favorite topic, Mandar Kalekar हमारे student हैं, जो अभी, I think he's a professor, he was in Pune, now he's a professor in Bangalore, teaching design, and then he worked on this wonderful ideas. Ideas इतना important होता है आपको product बनाने के लिए. Or then you have to cluster the ideas as part of what I showed you in my online lectures, and then mock-up models, then prototypes, and of course now this is under tooling so that we can make the first pilot production and take it to the market. And of course this is it should be collapsing, but it should not look broken. No, so that's a big thing learning we got from our user study. So that is the helmet design, and of course the crafting. All of us have to have fabulous lab students. Without crafting, in fact, to the everlasting credit, there is Gayatri Menon, who's my PhD student, now is a professor at NID. She had a student, I forget her name. Usne last year एक motorized wheelchair banaya, students. So impressive. This motorized wheelchair, she collaborated with a company, startup था वो, उनके साथ रख के बनाया. वो घर के बालकनी में उसने पूरा सेटअप बना लिया, कारपेंट्री का, प्लास्टिक का, एक्रिलिक का, और वर्किंग रिग बनाया for the motorized wheelchair for elderly, which will stand up. वो stand up हो क्या, आप अपना सामान भी ले सकते हो, ऊपर का बोल्ट लगा सकते हो, निकाल सकते हो. और फिर वो जो स्टार्टअप बंदा था ना अहमदाबाद से, वो प्रेजेंटेशन में भी आ गया. मैं जूरी था, वो प्रेजेंटेशन में आके बैठा, मेरे को देखना है आप लोग क्या क्या बोलते हो. हम तो डर गए, बोला यार क्या बोलेंगे. बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट द पर्सन, द स्टूडेंट डिड दिस होल वर्क ड्यूरिंग कोविड. आप कोविड का बहाना मत लेना मॉकअप्स या क्राफ्टिंग करने के लिए. तो मेरा एक स्टूडेंट था अभी रिसेंटली, तो उसने तो पूरा एक सोलर कुकर बना दिया अपने घर में केरला में, और वो यहाँ होता IIT बॉम्बे में तो नहीं बनाता, वहां पर था. तो ही वेंट टू द वेंडर्स, गॉट इट डन, लेजर कट करवाया, पूरा सोलर कुकर और डिश टाइप सोलर कुकर ही मेड इन हिज इंटर्नशिप प्रोजेक्ट इन द फर्स्ट ईयर, एंड द फर्स्ट ईयर. सो इट्स जस्ट इन आवर माइंड्स. एंड डिजाइनर्स, इफ दे डोंट मेक मॉकअप्स, if they don't do crafting, उनका creativity 1/10 हो जाता है. वो बिल्कुल याद रखना, बहुत जरूरी है. Ideas of course are very good, creative, but after creativity, when you don't do crafting, where you make mock-up models, where you make working prototypes, where you make working rigs, all those are very, very valuable, for our things. So again, again, a very, very favorite project of mine. When you said crafting, mujhe yaad aaya, students, this product was crafted by, all, like our vendors who are everywhere in the country. जो sheet metal का fabrication करते हैं, कहीं भी जाओ देश में, अपने देश में वो लोग होते हैं. उन्होंने हमारा फर्स्ट प्रोटोटाइप उन्होंने बनाया था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आफ्टर दैट वी टुक इट अगेन एज इनोवेशन प्रोजेक्ट. एंड देन लाइक हम इसमें तो एक बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है. वो जो स्टेनलेस स्टील की बॉक्स हमने 200 बनाए और मुंह के बल गिरे. एंड सेक्रेटरी ने मुझे इतना डांटा. स्टूडेंट्स, आपके फैकल्टी भी आपको इतने डांटेंगे नहीं है, सभी को डांट लगती है ना, हम लोग भी गलती करते हैं. वी कैन बी बिग प्रोफेसर्स बट वी कैन मेक अ मिस्टेक. तो उसने मुझे ही पूछा, चक्रवर्ती आपने ऐसे कैसे स्टेनलेस स्टील का बॉक्स बना दिया, सब लोग इसको डस्टबिन सोचते हैं. हमने तो सर्वे भी किया था, सिटी में सब लोग को पसंद आई, पर जब रूरल एरियाज में गया जहां पर पोस्ट बॉक्स सबसे ज्यादा यूज होता है, वहां पर लोगों ने इसको डस्टबिन समझा. और मैं फॉर्म पढ़ा रहा हूं, 20-25 साल से मैं फॉर्म पढ़ा रहा हूं बच्चों को यार, परसेप्शन एंड फॉर्म. मेरी 2 PhD स्टूडेंट्स हैं, सुष्मिता शर्मा, वर्कड ऑन परसेप्शन एंड फॉर्म. और देखो कैसे गलती होगी. ये गलती क्यों होती है? क्योंकि हम यूजर डोमेन नहीं समझते. ये प्रोडक्ट जो है यार पूरी देश के लिए है, ये खाली सिटी के लिए नहीं है. तो मुझे जो सर्वे करना था पूरा सिटी में करना था. और जब पेपर्स ने बहुत अच्छा लिखा तो हमारा ईगो बढ़ गया. हमको लगा तो बहुत अच्छा है. नो, टेक फीडबैक फ्रॉम द यूजर, टेक फीडबैक फ्रॉम द large sector of users if it's a public domain product. Public domain है ये. मेरे पापा ने भी बोला यार पोस्ट बॉक्स नहीं लगता है, फिर भी नहीं सुना. मेरी एनिमेशन कोलीग ने बोला चक्कू इसमें कुछ गलत है. मेरी एनिमेशन की प्रोफेसर शिल्पा रानाडे, शी इज द हेड ऑफ एनिमेशन, उसको भी अच्छा है, उसने बोला कुछ तो गलत है. दे ऑल न्यू दैट ये पोस्ट बॉक्स नहीं लग रहा है. पर हमारा तो भूत सवार था, पेट्रोल पंप का एक्सपीरियंस था ना, नया बना दो, सिमेंटिकली न्यू प्रोडक्ट, मेक द प्रोडक्ट लुक जैजी, मेक द प्रोडक्ट लुक न्यू सो दैट पीपल विल रिकॉग्नाइज इट एज अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट. नया जमाना है, नया प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, वो भी तो है. दैट वाज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो वी डिड फाइनली, पूरी 1 साल हम इसके ऊपर वापस काम करके वी डिजाइन दिस न्यू बॉक्स विद ऑल द सेम वैल्यूज बट विद द राउंड टॉप विद द रेड कलर. इसमें स्टेनलेस स्टील है पर इट्स अ लो निकल स्टेनलेस स्टील और सस्ता प्रोडक्ट है. उसके ऊपर हमने फिर पाउडर कोटिंग करवाया, फिर लेड किया. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द प्राइम मिनिस्टर आल्सो केम टू सी इट ड्यूरिंग आवर कॉन्वोकेशन एंड ही हैड सम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस टू आस्क. अरे आजकल कौन लेटर्स यूज करते हैं? तो मैंने उनको समझाया सर बहुत लोग यूज करते हैं, अभी भी लाखों लेटर आते हैं इंडिया पोस्ट में. सो दैट इज अ बिग लर्निंग फॉर आवर स्टूडेंट्स. You have to know that there are people who use letters. Because आप मोबाइल फोन यूज कर रहे हो, आपको लगता है कि कोई यूज नहीं कर रहा है, राइट? ऐसे नहीं होता. So we need to know. Now, every year it is dwindling, of course. The personal letters are dwindling. The business post is increasing. That's another story. And of course, you also have very good insights कि आप इसको और modern बनाइए, IoT enabled कर दीजिए. So letter गिरा तो पता लगे letter है. And of course, there's multiple functions of this letter box. ये तो अपना India Post का totem pole है ना? India Post का बाहर symbology है ये. So that's a very, very important lesson for us. And of course, this was the interesting thing. And of course, the last one, students, is the connection. We're also running out of time, where we say in innovation, you need to connect back with the user. जैसे मैंने वहाँ पर connect किया और मैं fail हो गया और वापस connect करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. तो similarly in the letterbox, but in this, I was very lucky when I joined Larsen & Toubro after my MDes at IIT Bombay, where we created the petrol pumps, which became, maybe you were too young when this came up, and this was launched in, of course, 1990. And then became a runaway success. It was supporting all over the country. And then, of course, I went on to work on serial innovation. Every 10 years, we designed a new product, and that is coming up in your, in your journey. So, students, just to sum it up, of course, like this is a holistic story. I won't take you up over there. So, quickly browse through the pitfalls of the innovation process. Students, it's very, very valuable. I think I discussed this with you. अभी research जब हो जाता है, कबड़ में चला जाता है. रिसर्च से जब डिजाइन में आता है, दैट इज द फर्स्ट पिटफॉल ना. वो अगर क्रॉस कर लिया, आपने डिजाइन का मॉकअप बना लिया. When you've done the design mock-up, the product is gone. Thousands of mock-ups are available all over the country. in all the design schools. छोटे मॉडल बनाए या स्केच बना के छोड़ दे. When you cross from there, which is the second pitfall, आप ये देखिए यहाँ तो जंप कर रहे हैं, रिसर्च से यहाँ पर जंप करने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा स्किल चाहिए यार, बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. तो सबसे मुश्किल काम तो ये है यार, रिसर्च से उसको डिजाइन में लाना. टेक इट. So that's a skill which is more important. उसके बाद अपना pole vault आ गया, second pitfall. So from a mock-up, take it to a prototype. No, so that's a pole vault, right? In pole vault, you're using tools, but you're practicing and you're taking forward. And of course, then you make a working prototype, test with users, और आपका एक prototype. ये most of the startups fail over here यार. Prototype बना लेते हैं, बोला सब कुछ हो गया सोचते हैं. So then you need to make a prototype, and from here, for example, the work gets, you need a hot air balloon to cross this next pitfall of pilot production, where हमने letterbox के लिए 200 बनाए, वैसे pilot production बनाना पड़ता है. And of course, when you make the pilot production, you of course use a lot of manufacturing technologies and things like that. And then of course the final one is an aeroplane, which is much more difficult, where you need much more resources, much more money, much more collaboration to take the product from pilot production to innovation, where your whole journey is complete. So this is the whole story, students. Thank you so much for your time, and of course, please I think I will share with all your colleagues my online lectures. It's been really encouraging. I'm so happy that we have crossed the 50,000 mark for our online lectures also. So thank you so much.